I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Looking for more than just a tutorial? Head over to pdtech.co.nz to see how we can manage this all for you.
Watch this video to learn how to pay supplier bills directly from Xero. First, select Purchases, then click Bills. View your unpaid bills from the Awaiting Payment tab. Select the checkboxes of the bills you want to pay. Then click Make Payment. Select Direct Bank Transfer to pay without leaving Xero. Then click Confirm. Add or update your supplier's bank sort code and account number before making payments. Click Group Payments by Payee Bank Accounts, so each supplier receives only one payment even if you're paying several bills. This also reduces the number of lines you need to reconcile in the bank. Then, choose which bank account you'd like to pay from. Select the payment date, which can be immediate, or scheduled for a future date. If you're setting the payment up on behalf of someone else, you can use the Request Someone to Pay option. This option will send an email with a summary to review and approve before the bills are paid. This is useful if you're managing bills on behalf of a business. Once you're ready, click Authenticate and Pay. Then, follow the prompts from your bank to complete multi-factor authentication. Once the payment is complete, you'll be returned to Xero to view the payment confirmation. Funds are transferred from your bank account to your supplier's account by Cresco using open banking. Now you're ready to pay your suppliers without leaving Xero.